I'm super excited. So I was contacted by your creative studio on Instagram, and they asked me if I would want to get one of their subscription boxes, and here's their website. So they have these subscription boxes, and you can like here you can pre-order for April, and they actually sent me their December one, which is, I haven't looked at it too much, but I know it's a sewing theme. And I believe you can do a subscription, or you might be able to buy the boxes separate. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm gonna let you know what I think, and I'm super excited. So they did tell me that it was gonna say January, but to ignore that it was the December box that I was receiving. So I'm going to just open it up. And I'll have all their information linked down below. This is very pretty. So this is their card, and it says, "Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your December collection." So very cute packaging, really nice paper. I don't know what this is, but very cute. Oh, this is so precious. Let's see if I can take this off without ruining that paper. A little bit of it's coming off, but almost all of it. Okay, I'm going to stick that to the side. I am going to put the box over to the side and just pull pieces out. So first off, this little doily. How sweet is this? This is a great piece to have in any journal. So pretty. So this is washi tape. The packaging is just adorable. It made me feel, or it's making me feel like it's Christmas. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so it's got a little sewing machine and like thimble. Let's open it up. Really pretty. Very pretty. Oh, it hasn't even, okay, so this is all the design until it repeats. Very cute. Stamps. That is so pretty. That's beautiful. Let's grab some ink, which I think I have some back here, and let's try it out. So I think with this type of stamp, let me see. Okay, so it has a protective cover on it, and so I'm thinking this will stick to like a plate. And I don't have any of my plates here, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and just do a sample and stamp it. I can go with a little. So I'm going to just ink it up. And this will work a lot better if you have the stamping block. I know I have one, I just can't. Oh, I think I just saw it. Very pretty. That is extremely detailed. And I missed right here just from my own error. Oh, another cling stamp. Oh, how cute. Oh, These are adorable. So this one is a little spool, then the measuring tape, and then a bobbin. That is absolutely adorable. Well, we need to try them out real quick. So I'm going to start with the bobbin, I think. Oh, that's so cute. And it's very detailed, very pretty. So I actually have never really stamped with this type of stamp. I would say it's a cross between a rubber stamp and then a, you know, what we know of as a cling stamp, which is the acrylic one. That's so pretty. And these are really nice. You know, with rubber stamps, you get really good quality, but they're so big and bulky and they take up so much room. So with this one, you're getting kind of the best of both worlds. That is absolutely beautiful. So cute. I'm sold on that type of stamp for sure. Oh, that is so cute. It's a little tiny sewing machine charm. It's adorable. Hold on, let me take it out of the package. Sorry, Barkley's in here. He approves. Look how adorable that is. So pretty. Okay, now we will. So this says masking tape. And this is so pretty. It's like very, very thin. I'll show you the size comparison. And it looks like, let me see if I can find the opening. It's like little florals. Very cute. Very, very cute. I can definitely see myself using that. I'm gonna go ahead and open this because I know you guys are gonna love these. I know I have some fellow scissor lovers out there, and these look really nice. They're stainless steel. I mean, these are really nice scissors. They even have a protect. Yeah, these are nice. Well, now you're gonna see these making an appearance in my videos. They're absolutely beautiful. I'm actually kind of floored by the amount of things in the box and the quality. How fun are these? It says little note cards. Let me just open. And you guys, I know, are in the same boat as me. You love ephemera. So very cute. So it looks like, oh, they're not all the same. Okay, so you have these that say checklist. These are great for layering. Then you have these that are the days of the week. So cute. And then you have this that says list, and it goes 1 to 9. And then you can put the date on them. I want to make sure I didn't miss any others. I did. You have this one, which is a to-do list. That is really nice, and you get a lot in here. These are really cute. You'll watch out for Instagram videos, reels using these. I'm definitely going to use those. I'm really excited about that. Then we have, oops, it's a stamp sticker set. So I'm thinking these are clear stickers. And so our first one here. Honestly, they're giving you everything that you would need to create a little mini journal. And not that little. These are really great. Oh, I love these with like the different countries, or not countries, states. Oh, so pretty. I could have used these in my recent journals with the birds. Now this one does have countries. There's also one of these stickers, and it's kind of like the, I forgot what these are called. It's not coming to me right now. I think they're called like flakes, maybe, something like that. So they're almost vellum-like, if you can see. They're very, very dainty, beautiful, intricate, very, very pretty. So we'll open up this one first. And these look like, I wasn't expecting to measure, so I don't have a proper ruler next to me. Let's see. So just about 6 by 6 little pieces of paper. Very, very pretty. It really all coordinates beautifully and takes the guesswork out of having to build a journal. Honestly, you can use this for spreads, or you can make a, like I said, a mini journal out of it. And the paper is good. It almost feels like sticker paper. Oh, it is. So it is adhesive paper. Oh, that's a game changer, because now you don't even need to have any kind of adhesive. You can just lay this straight down on your page. And then this says paper ephemera. And so these all coordinate. I'm thinking these are not sticker. I think this is just, and it's like cardstock. So you get 2 of those. So 2 of every image. So pretty. And then these measure, I know I'm using this little thing, 3 by 4. So you're getting 3 different designs, 6 total. And then these are going to be, I'm going to guess 4 by 6. No, 4 by 5.5, about. A little bit shy, I think. And so this one, so far, it's 3 of that design. Three of this design. And then 3 of this one. That is really beautiful. Okay, so this is a bird's eye view, so you can see everything that you received in the package, and I'll just go over it again really quickly. You have some papers, you have some like journaling cards, some sticky back paper, you have all these clear stickers, these vellum flake stickers, the little mini it's kind of worth it for this alone, so cute, the little charm. You have the package of the different lists, you've got washi tape, the 4 different cling stamps, the doily, and the scissors. And this was a pleasure to open. I am looking very forward to creating something really beautiful with it. So make sure you stay with the channel. I'll definitely do a spread on here as well, especially once I figured out that this was sticky back paper. That's like very, very neat. I've never worked with that before, and I think it's going to be a game changer. So I hope that you check them out. And again, it was Your Creative Studio over on Instagram. I'll have all their stuff posted down below, and I want to thank them for sending me this goodie box and making me feel like Christmas all over again in March. I am super excited. Thank you so very much. I am beyond grateful that you chose me to send stuff to. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you later. Bye.